What's up guys, this is Prachi and today I am super excited because I recently discovered a bunch of body lotions which I felt was so amazing. Especially with the winter season approaching, I know a lot of you will be looking for body lotions. Although I personally feel that these body lotions can be used throughout the year, even during the summer months, but we'll not go into that. Before that, I also have a very interesting announcement for you all. Ever Youth is actually running a contest right now where you can win an iPhone 13 mini. Yes. So keep watching this video. I will share all the contest details in the description box below and also at the end of the video. So like I just said, it's Ever Youth. The brand is Ever Youth and these are the 4 body lotions. So there are 4 variants designed to address specific different skin concerns. I love the brand Ever Youth. You might have actually seen me use Ever Youth products from time to time. I love the fact that it's such a nature-based brand. Ingredients are natural. They are nourishing for the skin. They are designed to actually work to give you better looking skin, making your skin, making you feel, making you look happy, Hardin. And that's a philosophy that I really want to encourage, because that's what beauty should be all about, right? And it shouldn't be too difficult. So with the right ingredients, for example, talking about ingredients in itself, the lotions that I'm talking about today, they all contain 100% natural almond milk. Now we all know how amazing almond milk is for skin, right? It's great for nourishing, it's great for rejuvenating your skin, it's also great for moisturizing your skin without leaving a sticky greasy feel behind. So we all need body lotions, and sometimes when you reach out to body lotion, your skin is feeling dry. You might have even experienced this. Like for the longest time, this is a problem that I have experienced, right? When you're using a body lotion and it moisturizes your skin, but you end up with that sticky greasy feel. So right after shower you use a body lotion and then your skin is feeling sticky, but you're running late, so you have to put on your tight jeans, and oh my god, it's so uncomfortable, right? With these body lotions you don't have that problem. Let me just show you a little clip here. So do you see how quickly my skin absorbs this lotion and it instantly feels so refreshed, it feels so nourished, so moisturized. This primarily because of course it contains 100% natural almond milk. I am so impressed with these body lotions and I feel that they are definitely worth checking out. Let me quickly take you through the different variants first, okay? So first we have the variant Rejuvenating Flora, which is actually designed for daily gentle moisturization. I personally feel that this is a variant that you can use throughout the year for just regular moisturization here and there, and it's so amazing. I love the feel and how it just absorbs into my skin so quickly. Then we have Nourishing Cocoa. Now cocoa is one of my all-time favorite ingredients to use for body care, and this one is actually designed to give you 48-hour intense moisturization, and I love once again how easy to work with this formula is. Then we have Soothing Citrus Aloe. So as you can imagine, it contains citrusy ingredients. It also contains aloe, which renders it a beautiful antibacterial property and also gives your skin intense moisturization. I love using this after my waxing or after hair removal processes like epilator, which can often make the skin feel extremely dull, and especially if you're using a razor, for instance, the skin can start feeling rough very quickly. Now this is something with its antibacterial protection and moisturization. It can be such a great thing to use on those days. And last but definitely not the least, we have the Sunblock Berries, which obviously give you moisturization and also have the property of light SPF 15, which helps you protect your skin from the harmful effects of the sun. Also, all the products, by the way, these bottles are 200 ml bottles, okay, and all the products are paraben free and cruelty free, which I think is so amazing. And now talking about the contest, which you definitely don't want to miss. Well, here are the contest rules, and let me just explain things to you a little bit. So this contest will have 3 lucky, actually super lucky winners that stand a chance to win an iPhone 13 mini. For this is what you have to do. While placing your order on the select body lotions from Ever Youth, just use this coupon code iPhone-FREE while placing your order. Okay, so this is the code you have to use, and this offer is valid till 30th of November 2021, and the winners will be announced on 15th of December. Now the customer can use the coupon code for multiple times on multiple orders. However, obviously you can only win once during the lucky draw contest. So that is how the winners will be picked out, and offer is obviously applicable only on the select body lotions from Ever Youth. And yes guys, if I missed out anything, just let me know in the comment section below. I would love to help you out. I would love for my viewers to win this iPhone 13 mini. So don't forget to check it out, and yes, thanks for watching guys. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, turn the bell icon for notifications, and keep coming back to Super Style for more. This is me, Prachi, signing off now. Bye bye.